In this question, we're given 2 points, A at x coordinate 5, y coordinate 2, and just for illustration, I'm just going to plot it on here. So here's our A. Oops, let's go to pen. That's better. 5, 2. There's A. And B at y coordinate 6, x coordinate 4. So here's, sorry, x coordinate 6, y coordinate 4. Always x is first. And 6, and we go up to 4, and there is B. So here it's asking about the line AB, which means the line segment which joins these 2 points. And we're trying to find out the slope, remembering the formula for slope, which is our y step over our x step, or y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So the difference in the y values divided by the difference in the x values, which is, and so our second point, the y coordinate of our second point, B, is 4, minus the y coordinate of our first point, for A, is 2, and divide that by 6, the x coordinate of our second point, subtract 5, the x coordinate of our first point, which is 2 over 1, which is 2. So now we're asked, what is the equation of AB? And if you remember the slope-intercept form of a line, so a line, any line has equation, one way of writing a line equation is y equals mx plus c, where m is the slope and c is the y-intercept. This is great because we know the slope, we just worked it out. So we can put together our equation piece by piece, and the first piece we add is the slope. So we begin our equation. We know that m in this case is 2, so we know this much. We know y is 2x plus c. So we still don't know what c is. What we do know is, because we made it this way, because we made a line out of these 2 points, we know that both A and B lie on the line, which means that the point A, let me just as a note here, we know the values for A, which are 5, 2, satisfies the line equation for AB, the line AB. So that means if we substitute x, so if we're substituting 5, 2 into y equals 2x plus c, because that point lies on the line, we know it's a valid point, and the relationship y equals 2x plus c, this point will satisfy that relationship. So let's just do that. So 5 is our x coordinate, 2 is our y coordinate. So we know that y, which is 2, which is now 2, equals 2 times x, which is now 5. Oops. 5 plus c. And just to expand this multiplication here, there's 2 is 10 plus c. And if we subtract 10 from both sides, we get negative 8 equals c, where c equals minus 8. So we've used one of these points to allow us to find or get an equation for c in just as the only variable in the equation. The rest are just numbers, so we can work out what c is. So finally, our final equation, because c is our y-intercept here, y equals 2x plus negative 8, which is minus 8.